Good morning. Hi everybody. This is day 6. And as you can see, it's cloudy. But it's okay. We're going to go to another part of Bermuda. We went to St. George yesterday. And what's the other area? What's the other area we're going to visit? Alright, so we're going to go and visit Hamilton next. And over there is supposed to be another tourist site. Really, I think it's a bigger than St. George. So we're going to go check that out. Hopefully, the weather permits, we can get to go to the beach. And see whatever other tours they have going on out there. And then that's it. So yesterday was pretty cool. We went to the caves. I think, you know, this is a reflection of yesterday. We went to the caves, even though it rained on us like the whole day, but we made the best out of it. And that's what you do when you're on vacation. You make the best out of it. So I'll see you right back. I'm going to go and have my breakfast. So here is the map of what we are going to be doing. Now, yesterday we was in this area, which is St. George. Okay. And then that was actually the day before. I'm sorry. And then we were somewhere just on the cuff side of Hamilton, but we're planning to be more over here, somewhere along these lines. Hamilton over here. Yeah.
What was designed to build this house, whatever, that does the same
structure. Yeah. But all Caribbean look like that though.
No, but the building, the way the houses are.
Yeah.
The structure of it and everything.
Another beach day. Beautiful. But the water seems so cold. The sun is out. Thank God. That was an issue with us yesterday. It was raining all day. Whew. Come on. This is Horseshoe Bay. Woo. Woo. Cold water, baby. Cold water.
Want to go to a little cave?
Sally? Inside a little cave? You take a picture.
What are you looking for, Siobhan? Pink sand?
It is pink.
Yeah, it's
pink. But it's like they say.
Some flecks of pink. Yeah, some flecks. It's not like the color pink, but you see some flecks of whatever, seashells and whatnot.
I don't know how.
Not wet like that, right?
Yeah, but where am I taking that?
A bottle?
I don't have a bottle.
You don't got a paper bag or paper? I mean, not paper bag, but plastic.
I gotta stay watching.
this is what it's all about. Work hard, play hard. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Ooh, I cannot do it. I had to climb a little mountain of rocks, but to capture this amazing view, OMG, I did it for y'all. Beautiful.
Your camera zooms in. Why you have to do so close to the edge? I see you zoom in.
That one has no waves.
Yeah, but it's like a mini pool, right? We could go over there too, man. Yo, this place just got a lot of rocks, things.
That means that sea... Right, Johnny? That means that sea level was higher.
At some point in time.
You know, Joey?
More risen at one point, right? It was like up to here. So this used to be underwater.
Ooh.
Probably, right?
Probably. Some point in time.
Take a picture.
Good, that's good. This clip is right there.
This view is crazy beautiful. And the weather is very comfortable. It's not too beaming hot.
Oh, that's all right.
You go ahead, because I have to slow you down.
I'll be slow.
Huh, me too.
All right, well then I'll start out.
Trying to get off this mountain. And whose idea was this in the first place?
Hello. Which was actually good because it's a picture.
And I live to tell the story. Okay.
No? Okay.
Yeah, we're living in time right now. We're very living in time.
Those mountains weren't too bad to climb, but it was scary. It's cold. We've been out of the water for a little bit, so it's cold. You're not going all the way? You don't want to be with me?
Alligator under the water.
Mm-hmm.
I was making sure somebody was going to say that.
Beautiful. Lovely, lovely day it turned out to be. Lovely day.
Burn again.
I know, I feel it.
Let's keep on going back to town.
Nice tan. Where y'all going to climb that too?
Yeah, look. Anybody got their name? Cool, huh? I don't know, they make the sand hard. I don't know how they did that. I don't know how to make the sand hard. Good. Great. I didn't do it without your phone.
Where's Siobhan? I hope they didn't climb that again. That was cool, but scary. Facebook? YouTube? The world needs to know. Getting ready to leave. I'm washing up the sand. Jamming. Bebo, I'm jamming.
Yeah, tell them what
I'm jamming. And we're leaving on out of here. Alright guys, we are selling out to be one day in the sea again, right before we go back to New York. Who is driving? Enjoying my ice cream. Yeah, we're getting ready. It's so beautiful out here, man. Well, that's it, folks.